In this video, we are going to find the derivative of arcsine of 2x plus 1. So here we see that we have two functions. We have our main function arcsine, and then we have another function in it. We have this 2x plus 1. So I'm going to call this 2x plus 1 my g of x, and then have arcsine be my f of x. So what we have here is f of g of x. And now we want to take the derivative of this. So what do we want to use? Well, we have the chain rule that tells us how to take the derivative of exactly this. So let's recall what the chain rule tells us. So the chain rule tells us that the derivative of f of g of x is equal to the derivative of f, so f prime of g of x, times the derivative of the inside function, so times g prime of x. So in our case, what would that be? Well, first, let's recall what the derivative of arcsine is. So the derivative of arcsine of x is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, so if we go back to our problem, we want to take the derivative of arcsine of 2x plus 1. How do we apply the chain rule? So first, we have f prime of g of x. So the derivative of arcsine is going to be 1 over the square root of 1 minus, now x in this case is really g of x, squared times the derivative of the inside function, g of x. So now I can do my substitution where g of x equals 2x plus 1. So this is 1 over the square root of 1 minus 2x plus 1 squared times the derivative of 2x plus 1. So now we have some simplification to do. So what is 2x plus 1 squared? So that's 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. So we can use FOIL. So first, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 1 times 2x is 2x. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. And so we see here in the denominator we have 1 minus that. So I'm going to have 1 over the square root of 1 minus 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 times, now we have the derivative of 2x plus 1. So what is the derivative of 2x plus 1? Well, we can write that as the derivative of 2x plus the derivative of 1. So this is 0, and this here is just 2. So now let's simplify the denominator a bit. We have to distribute the minus sign that's over here. And it's very important you keep things in parentheses here so that when you distribute the minus sign, you get the correct answer. So we have 2 over the square root of 1 minus 4x squared minus 4x minus 1. So we see that the 1's here cancel out. We can even do some factoring. So I can factor out a 4. So this becomes 2 over the square root of 4 times negative x squared minus x. So now I can take out the 4 using just square root properties, right? So I have that this is equal to 2 over the square root of 4 times the square root of minus x squared minus x, and we know that the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 over 2 times the square root of negative x squared minus x, which we can just go ahead and factor that. I'll factor out an x. So we get negative x minus 1. Now we have these 2's that cancel out. So this is really equal to 1 over the square root of x times negative x minus 1. We can even factor out the minus sign, so this becomes minus x times x plus 1. And so this is our final answer. This is the derivative of arcsin of 2x plus 1. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.